In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect MyWhoosh to your Garmin device. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is make sure you have the MyWhoosh installed on your device or your accounts are ready for both MyWhoosh and Garmin, so it's a lot easier to connect. So, on your dashboard, I want you to log in using your credentials and then hover on the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. Click the View Profile and then click the Edit Profile because this is where you can manage all your connections. However, at the moment, MyWhoosh does not natively connect to Garmin. As you can see, Garmin is not available on the integrations. But what we can do instead is to manually upload the data from MyWhoosh, your activity history, into Garmin Connect. How all I have to do is click the button right here that says upload or import activity. And if you do, you have two options, how to sync or import data. And of course, from here, you can drop the files. You want to make sure that these are the allowed file formats for Garmin. That's going to be .tcx, .fit, or .gpx format. As you will notice, the import has been successfully completed. Click the View Details, and there you have it. Connecting these two platforms allow you to keep all the workouts in one place, track training, load and recovery, maintain your cycling history, sync with other platforms connected to Garmin to make your training ecosystem smoother. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.